you. Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Daniel Ahn. I am the co-founder and CEO of Delfi. What is the problem we're solving? The financial decision-making at smaller financial institutions like US community banks, credit unions, is completely broken. The ingredients needed to make effective financial decision-making is fragmented, and there's an immense informational imbalance between these smaller financial institutions and the big Wall Street broker-dealers that they have to interact with. And therefore, these Wall Street broker-dealers make hundreds of billions of dollars from these smaller banks every year. How are we solving this? We have built an AI-native end-to-end solution that can take a CFO at a smaller community bank from the diagnostics through to trade construction, all the way to final execution through two solutions. We have our Overwatch SaaS platform that gives them the diagnostics and the trade recommendations. And then finally, we have our marketplace. It's a two-sided platform in which we host multiple different portfolio opportunities, loans, deposits, securities, as well as some in-house solutions that helps bring the right solutions to the right financial institution. A great and familiar case study, I hope, is Silicon Valley Bank, circa 2021. As you all know, Silicon Valley Bank just thought that holding lots of long-term US Treasury bonds was going to be safe. If the CFO of Silicon Valley Bank had spent 30 minutes on our platform, the AI could have told them that there's a 15% probability that they are going to lose $2 billion. And by scanning the marketplace for actionable solutions, we could have recommended them a very cheap, lightweight hedging strategy that could have reduced their risk by 90%. And 2 years later, they would still be alive. And they would have made $3.5 billion instead of losing $2 billion. If there's more interest in this, please check out our website where we have a whole case study written on this. In terms of competitive moat, really we are kind of half a deep tech company. We have really deep domain knowledge in both quantitative finance and in machine learning optimization, but we're now building that, integrating that into a solution that's both explainable and scalable. In terms of initial product traction, in the 9 months since our launch, we have over 25 banks and credit unions on the platform. They collectively represent over $230 billion in total assets. We also have won multiple industry awards. We have a growing strategic partnerships on the marketplace. And in terms of revenue, we are targeting $2 million in revenue by the end of this year and $10 million in ARR by the end of next year, partially split between growth in the SaaS subscription for premium subscriptions versus transactions on our two-sided marketplace. Our team, we're almost all PhDs and a mixture of both, again, finance, policymaking, and AI machine learning. We're also really blessed with wonderful advisors, former US Senator and ranking member of the Senate Banking Committee, former Fed Vice Chair, former head of global trading at a big hedge fund. We actually have completed a seed round last year with some great strategic investors, Franklin Templeton, MS&AD Ventures, et cetera. We're actually going back and asking for a small growth round right now to help accelerate some of our partnerships, build out our sales and marketing effort, and also pursue some development of some of the asks we're getting in right now. FX seems to be a really big demand from some of our clients. So we're, again, raising 3. We have commitments for 2, and we'll be really grateful if there's any interest to please reach out. So, right on time.
Thank you. Thank you, Dan.